Hi, this is Abby, and welcome to my channel. Today we are trying to put up that's a compound there, trying to put up the base spot to put an inflatable summer pool. We look around, not definitely not the concrete. That's the connector. Yeah, we found this is the right place right there. So we'll put this um yeah, that's the pump. Very small but tiny little bit. Works good. So that's the spots. We are going to use this landscape right there. The landscape mat to kind of like protect the floor so that nothing busts or, break into our pool once it's filled with water. And go along with us. Enjoy. So that's my daughter right there trying to see how mommy is going to put this on. We're doing this together. Hee-ha. Excited. All right. Putting that together. Putting the... It's very sunny. That's why you saw the cool spot right there. Really sunny. Really, really sunny today. But we got to do what we got to do. Jenya, come on. Let's do this. There it is. There it is. There's the mat. It's done. And we put some stones there. Yeah, there's the inflatable park. It's called the Omec inflatable pool. It's out of the box, right out of the box. Pretty heavy. Yeah, very heavy. I'm trying to pick it. Let's go there. Put off your shoes. Boom, boom. Okay, I'm gonna try to put this together. Try to flatten it together just to be on top of the black covering. That's a chute. So when you're doing this, you try to make sure that the mouthpiece for you to pump the inflatable pool should be closer to where you see me putting it closer. It's safe. Yeah, go and inflate it. All right, getting it to the point where we're filling it. I was told it's gonna take like 2 hours or something like that from the instructions, and we'll let you know when the kids are ready to jump into it. Thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe. Come on, Jaya, come on. Come in. All right, here goes the tech guy. He's the one recording. All right, do you have something to say?
Like and subscribe to the channel.
Yeah. All right, Nene, Jenny, do you have anything to tell? Hey, are you enjoying this?
Yes.
Say hello to our subscribers.
Hi. Hello.
What do you want to tell them?
Subscribe and like the video.
Okay, Jenny.
Subscribe and like the video.
All right, it's done. You can see that they can't wait to enjoy. I love you. Please subscribe to my channel, my video. I'm gonna give you lifestyle, cooking, fun. I'm not gonna blog about nobody because it's not my business, but I'm gonna give you my life, my kitchen life, my everything about. You will enjoy us. Promise you that. That's a promise from me. I love you. Bye.